On this episode on Uyaz'thol'uba, we visit Langa Bicycle Hub in one of the oldest townships in Cape Town. Let's hand it to Coffee the King on the field.
Hey, it's your boy Coffee, man. I'm out here in Cape Town. Langa is line 7455, man. You know what it is. And I'm out here visiting Langa Bicycle Hub. And we have a beautiful lady out here who's going to introduce herself.
Hello, igama ndingu Annelisa Magiligwana. Ndihlala lapha kwaLanga. I'm 24 years of age. This is Langa Bicycle Hub. I'm Langa Bicycle Hub. I'm part of Langa Bicycle Hub. So Langa Bicycle Hub was founded last year, June, after the outbreak of COVID-19. So Mzikhona Mgedle decided ukuba lena izaba into azayilandela. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So Mzikhona is the co-founder?
Yeah, it's the founder. So I'm the co-founder. Mzikhona is the founder of Langa Bicycle Hub, and Mnandi co-founder of Langa Bicycle Hub.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So for how many months has been the space operating?
I think it's been more than 7, 8, because since June last year, which is June, yeah, it's more than 6. Which is, I think it's 8 now, since it's March. So yeah, it's been long, but man, no, because it's a push.
Okay, like as you're a co-founder, I guess you know a lot about the hub itself.
Yes.
I wanna hear like what's the motivation behind the hub itself, the community what sparked the idea?
Okay, so during COVID-19, many people were retrenched emisebenzini. And Mzikhona was one of abantu who got retrenched. So ngela xesha there were community kitchens around Langa, and since abantu were not allowed babazule kwindawo ezininzi, so bicycle sibone thina as a mode of transport in terms of transporting medication. Because before we started Langa Bicycle Hub, we used to use our bicycles to transport medication. And also to take ukutya from community kitchens, sizise kubantu aba-bedridden who can't walk, baziyele ema-kitchen. So that's the motivation. So we saw this as an opportunity for Langa. Like, imoto is not the only mode of transport. I-bicycle is also one of the mode of transport apha kwaLanga sinoyisebenzisa. Yabo, thina sabona lo opportunity, and we saw a gap. Kuba many people bacinga fanuba if awukhweli moto or if awunamoto, like it's hard for you to travel okanye to move around indawo ohlala kuyo. And also due to our narrow road apha kwaLanga, ii-road zethu are not too conducive sometimes for ukuhamba imoto. For example, Uyaz'thol'uba, when you see the informal settlement, like indlela zaphana like kunzima for imoto. So it's much easier ukhwela bicycle, you understand? Yeah. So yonke lonto, it was a motivation for us.
So, like I know, I kind of like grew up Langa because I used to go to Slimela, my high school Slimela, and I know like Ilaweza Ulanga, it's a vast community, and Apagle community, who are you basically catering for Apagle Hub? Like, is it allowed to everyone, or there's a specific age group?
Okay, so our hub is for all. This is for all. For women, for kids, for wonke nje umntu. But you see, advise more women like babe bakwazi ukhwela bicycle, because there's that stigma yoba umntu wesifazane can't ride a bicycle. So thina apha we motivate more women. If you can see even on our page on Facebook, abantu abazayo bazokwenza i-learn to cycle classes ngabantu besifazane. So motivate bona, but i-bicycle hub yona yeyomntu wonke. Well, noba ngumntana, noba ungubhuti, noba uyintoni, you can come to Langa Bicycle Hub. But mostly we motivate more women to come. Like nabo babonisa, they can ride a bicycle. They are allowed to ride a bicycle. Ayikho lanto yoba only ngamadoda abantu abakwazi ukhwela i-bicycle. So, yeah. Yeah.
Like on a daily basis, like how does the hub operate, and what are the basic rules?
Okay. So what we do each and every day, we open our hub So sine learn to cycle classes ne. If you want to learn how to ride a bicycle, you come to Langa Bicycle Hub. So each and every day we open. We know that sine appointments zabantu ababhukileyo for ukhwela ngalo mini. We also do hiring. As you can see now, abantwana babhizi bazohire bicycle. So senze learn to cycle, senza i-rides. If you want to, if ufuna sikukhaphe wenze igana cycle, siyakukhapha our brigades aphela nga-bicycle hub zizohamba nawe, siye nawe kwigana cycle, ube safe yonke loo nto. So that's what we do each and every day. Learn to cycle, hiring of bicycle, route. So yeah, we also do repairs. We fix bicycles. If you want your bike, ibhayisekile yakho igqabhukile okanye imoshakale chain yonke loo nto ingxaki nebike nje, you can come to Langa Bicycle Hub uzokufixela ibicycle. Also, if you want to build your bike from ekuqaleni, you can also come to us sizokubuildela ibicycle yakho. So that's what we do on our daily.
Yeah. And like how has been the reception from the people and the kids? Like okuvuliwe, like how's the traffic?
It's been good, but yes, since when it comes to rentals, like kabantwana bagcwalayo, you understand? So during the week akubi busy because abantwana are not here basesikolweni, and abantu abadala are not here also basemisebenzini. So but only few people come bazolungisa bicycles zabo, and then later on abantu bayeza na still kwigana circle. So yeah. Otherwise busy, we are busy, but sometimes due to a number of abantu bengekho. On weekends we are more occupied ke ngoku kuyagcwala nge-weekends kuba busy. Yeah.
So do you somehow have I know some spaces offer memberships. Do you have memberships?
No, we don't have a membership. So the only thing we have, already bicycle yet, we take your details, your name, your surname, your address, your phone number. If ungaphezu kwe 16 years, but if you are under 16, we give you a consent form. You understand? If umntana, we give you a consent form. We semzalini to sign avumele wena as umntana uba ungayithatha ibicycle yethu yakwalanga bicycle hub uphume nayo ngaphandle if ufuna ukuphuma ngaphandle, but ke if ufuna ukukhwela ngaphakathi ukhwela ngaphakathi. So into ze membership form, we don't have a membership form. You understand? But if when you want to be a team okanye you want to be part of Langa Bicycle Hub, uza kuthi xa usichazele ba kutheni ufuna uba part yethu into oyibonileyo. Yeah, understand?
That sounds clean. That sounds clean and clear. I think this is my last question. Like Nina as a team, Langa Bicycle Hub. Where do you see the hub like in the next 5 years? Like, or what are some of the plans about the hub?
Okay, what we want to see is Langa is wonke like being eqhelana nebicycle yabo. We want to transform Langa into a bicycle. What I don't know how to like, and as ndicacise njani, but sifuna utransform Langa kube kwi-hub nje ze-bicycle. Asifuna ukufocus only here. We still want to build more bicycle hubs around Langa. Kube kwi-branches. Kuthi kulapha ezantsi ezone 5 kube kukho enye hub pha and kube kukho enye hub ngakwa-Shoprite kube kukho enye hub like Ulanga nje abe busy zi-bicycle. You understand? So yeah.
No, man, we appreciate Langa Bicycle Hub for hosting us. It's been a beautiful day. I appreciate it so much. Maybe I'll always take a visit. Thank you to this beautiful lady over here, Annelisa, for hosting us, man. It's your boy Coffee, and we are out, man. It's the Mayhem TV.
Thank you for watching this episode. If you didn't know, now you know. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to share it with your neighbors. Catch us on the next episode. We got this.